In this video, I will show how we can check the attendance of our students. We need to go to the attendance students part, and here we will see the attendance school year. So it will show for the particular student the attendance changes for each day. So for example, for the 14th of August, the second period, Nicole was absent, and the 11th of August there was a field trip, and she was excused absent during the fourth period, and there was some kind of sample trip here, and 8th of August she was late during the fourth period. We can check the same for other students, and we can go to the attendance of the class to see the whole picture. So we see that fourth period, Tuesday, student was late here, the second student was absent, and the third, this one is for the early leave, and we can see that here Sandy was absent the Thursday 5th period, and the Friday all the students were absent, but they were excused absent. And we can check who took the absent note here, and it's the teacher name here. And we also can check and add ourselves, like the student was not present, for example, but absent. So we can take the absent type notes, for example, excused, and write here the reason, some reason here, and also specify that it's the first period only or more. And we can add also that one to other students as well. So we can specify that it's not only for one student, it's also for two students here, more. And we will just click OK and save the same change for the 11 Nini from another class. So it means that if we allow to do the attendance notes, we can do that one for other students as well. And we can go to the record history here and check that it was taken by the teacher and the time, and it can be also specified here the absence type, note, any kind of notes by the teacher. And the last one what we can do here is to check the absence notes. So it will show all the absence notes that were taken for the student, and the student name Green Michael is also written here. And for the advanced settings, you need to be using at school the modules for taking the attendance from the turnstiles. And if you click show here, it will be showing here the time and in minutes, so when it was taken. And let's close it now. And if we go to the attendance school year, when you think about these absent periods of the student, so it can be requests from the parents what was the reason to be absent during this period, or there were any kind of the private reasons, personal reasons of the family that they took students from this period. In this case, they need to take the absent notes, and to take the absent notes they need to be able to request to the class teacher, and you need to click here first and check. For now it's disabled for parents, so you need to click to enable for parents. They can add absent note which you can then approve, so they help you with the student attendance. If you click here now, then parents will be able to send the request with the reason for this absent period. For example, they can send to the second period of Nicole. And the second one is to enable for adult students. They can add absence note which you can then approve. So this one needs to be approved by the admin first, and you can also enable that one for adult students. When a parent is sending the absent note, it will be seen in the messages here. So we have here the absent note from a parent, from parent of the Grimmy call. Family reason is the reason of the absence, So if we click here now, we can click to this message, and it's showing here the reason of being absent, and the period is the second period of the 14th of the August, and we can reject or accept the absence note. If we accept the absence note, then we can check the attendance of the student, and here is written now the excuse. So it's also showing here the family reason, and that was specified by the parent. In this video, we covered how we can check the attendance of the students, also enable the electronic absence notes for parents, and check the notes as well from the parents.